Nice Kurass.
Yeah,
Let's see which one you want it. And this one? I live in it, one. Fresh Kurass.
There you go. How you sell it to him?
This $500 off.
5 up.
Yeah, get 3 handfuls for 500.
3 handful. That's it.
That's it.
Alright, three a little bit for 500 grams.
Yeah. Well, here often the price then hold out to them price, but 5 grand, 6 grand a bucket.
Full bucket.
This here a 5 grand you pay for this.
Oh.
One bucket. This is more than bucket. 5 grand per bucket.
Oh, you talk about the other kind of bucket.
Yeah, then little bucket.
That's a bakey, right?
Yeah, when you buy more than
Yeah, that little bucket.
Then little bucket. Same thing with the bakey whole 3 bucket.
So what time afternoon am I coming?
Afternoon till about 4 or 5 o'clock.
Oh, okay.
So come when you end up 1 hour late every day, you gotta end up icing them for next day. But this fresh is just coming.
Yeah, this looks fresh.
You know, like small little mix it with bang and platter.
Where's the portion, man? May ganun sa portion lang yun. So this 500.
3 handful.
Okay, put the next 3 handfuls. You go back with me. Yeah, chicken.
I make it.
Have to buy some of this.
Oh, hey, next man will come in.
Come, put on 5 more.
It's a different way.
Nice Kurass. Fresh.
Let me see how it fresh.
Properly Kurass.
Properly.
Living Kurass. Just cut up fix. Nice shrimps though.
How old is that?
What?
That's what shrimp.
Very shrimp there.
I'm gonna shrimp. That shrimp you buy. Living Kurass. Nice Kurass.
Yeah,
Kurass.
Yeah, proper. 50
You want
half
deal?
one of them.
You
No,
want
I'm
deal,
not
man?
get deal, man. Let me put on this problem. Put on Kurass and I see a proper Kurass.
15 that. 1500. Buy 16 that.
Yeah, you got to go to the back there.
Yeah, we don't mention
That was also all the shrimps there. I told them people want the shrimps there. I did them. Yeah, cousin, I see which one in Kurass you want. Just bring a big one junk left in.
Hey, wait, let me see this Kurass.
Yeah, ma'am, you see which one you want. Some of them out still a walk.
This one.
This one here?
Yep. Much of the whole Kurass.
50 for the whole Kurass. I'm going to get this junk more than 5 billion.
You want a
It's a big one junk, you know.
No, I don't belly thing. No.
You see which one you want it. And this one? I live in it, man. Fresh
You want
Kurass.
that the same one with
This
that
one, eh?
one. That one, yeah.
Remember when I cut them up nice here, sir?
Let me see Gil, it's how different.
What there? Plus me a cut up right in front, you know what's now? You know there, you solid border right there.
Where you going? You get sun nearby?
No,
You have to board here.
son.
Ah, yeah, you have board there? No, she don't think so with it.
This solid border.
Oh, she said I wouldn't buy the salon.
Yeah. I sit down up here. You don't sit down here.
Where you come from, Val? Left side?
Nah, me come for right to catch you now, for the sea wall.
You know Val, yes?
Yeah. If Valet's gone home now, he tell her he must do the business.
Oh, Val.
Yeah, he left the business, tell her we control the business.
And you know that that's black boy, man? What you name, man?
The one with the sing steady?
Sing song, yeah.
Aye, he not come yet, he not get load.
That's my friend, man.
Yeah, sing man at the bike.
Oh, God. Wait, can we have me a board half of them? You want to see what you might have this thing?
You want a proper cut up in the story.
Molly, you want 50?
That's how you want, innit?
We got 50,000 now. You want 15,000?
The size you want, watch it. The size you want.
Wait, fine, let me see.
Give you a proper size quick.
We don't want that too big, proper size.
Want it? Say no. Want it too big? You don't know? How you want that?
Wow. Man, buy today's way.
Yeah, buddy. Now, Magram is in two.
Huh?
Now, Magram is in two.
Yes.
Anyways,
Anessa Kale. Anessa Kale. Get the phone.
properly caught.
Ay, nag-snack on sa man.
No, bale so di basura.
But what about bale son na da ba?
Sorry. The man again right now snap larga ano. By this aisle thing. I'm a dry lesa. I'm not getting fish now. I know happen.
Oh, boy, yeah.
Na magisin tusa.
Tuam na.
Somebody. Yawa mo Kurass.
Na, batch dapat ang piece ko tumot minawang tam.
Yeah, this piece eh?
Yes, cover the thing. Minawang da. Mali kala mo.
Sama, mag-meta usan tayo kwa mo.
No buy, don't buy already man.
Okay, juicy.
Yeah, we buy catfish and buy other one. Alright, then get a phone.
Alright. Smell fresh?
Fresh body. Smell fresh, glossy fresh.
Hey, me just know when this fish fresh. You know this meat?
Yeah, shine.
You just shine glassy.
Yes.
Yeah.
The whole fish, darling, no?
You want to tell you the trade there? You want to tell you the
Yes,
secret
when
to
you
the
see
trade?
when you
Yeah.
see glassy fresh.
Shine fresh.
And the shrimps too, they are like overnight.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Shine with 15, right?
How much? Here, partner.
You know what, you see it. May gas snap mo, spin pa na yun.
What are the borders coming?
The boat don't coming for this morning. But you are coming about 12 o'clock then. Yeah, about 12 o'clock.
Where is that?
Right to the coca.
Yeah, we can take a spin around.
Yeah. Because na spin, you can walk the piece to my 2 hook.
Yeah.
You know that we cut till time.
Yeah, man.
Most like a big one in between.
Yeah. That's gonna be nice. Breakfast. What you got for breakfast? Hey, 9 o'clock already. What's going on with you? Oh. So guys, I'm gonna go have some of this Kurass curry. Sorry I didn't get to see the cooking on the Kurass. But here it is. I'm gonna take some here. Some loud green mango. Take another piece. Sitting with mango. A little sorghum. This sorghum is a must. Alright, this look good, eh? And I should put I don't see no pepper, but yeah, so that's it. We're gonna walk this up now. So I got one of this flavor pepper, and I'll walk that up too. There. Check that out. Alright guys, so here's the Kurass curry. We're gonna have a piece right here. I mash up the pepper here a little bit. The pepper fresh though. Yeah, I want the pepper on every plate. See there? These are the mango. Green mango. Mix up this good. If you're using your hand, it would be sunny. Wow, real nice. I got seasoned pepper here. Mash it up a little bit in the rice and curry. Piece of mango. It's real nice. Check it out there. Alright guys, so that's it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, remember to comment, subscribe, share the video. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye.